Namaste students, welcome to Supermaths class 10 exercise 5.3 third main in an AP. In that fourth question, given A3 15, S10 125, find D and EA10. Okay, let us write our formula. AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 15. According to this, A3 equals 15. We are taking the value 15 and A we don't know. N, let us consider this as 3 minus 1 into D. D also we don't know. And now 15 equals A plus 2D. And let us make some rearrangement. A plus 2D equals 15 and consider this as our first equation. And now S10 is given as 125. What is the formula for finding sum? It is Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of Sn? It is 125. Here n is 10 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Let us cancel this. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10. Just nothing but 125 equals 5 into 2a plus 10 minus 1, it is 9 d. And let us transpose this 5 to LHS, then it goes to denominator, which is equal to 2a plus 9d. And now let us cancel this. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 are 25. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. This is our second equation. On multiplying equation 1 by 2. Let me write here by using elimination method. Okay. What is our first equation? It is A plus 2D equals 15. We are multiplying the whole with 2. Then we'll get 2 into A, 2A plus 2 into 2, 4b equals 2 15s are 30. This is our third equation. By subtracting equation 3 from 2, by subtracting equation 3 from 2, we are going to find the value of D. 2a plus 9d equals 25. This was our second equation. So what is our third equation? It is 2a plus 4d equals 30. We are subtracting, so we are going to change all signs to minus. Then we'll get minus 5, because bigger number has minus sign. It is minus 5. 9d minus 4d, it is 5d, and 2a get cancelled, where d equals minus 5 by plus 5. By transposing, this 5 goes to denominator. By cancelling, we'll get a value of d as minus 1. By putting the value of d in equation 1, we are going to find the value of a. A plus 2d equals 15. This was our first equation. Here we are going to replace d with minus 1. 2 into minus 1, it is minus 2. 2 ones are 2, which is equal to 15. A equals 15 plus 2. We are transposing minus 2 to RHS. It becomes plus 2. 15 plus 2, it is 17. So value of A is 17. What is the second part of the question? We have to find the value of A10. So A10 equals A plus n minus 1 into d. Here A is 17 plus n is 10 minus 1, and the value of d is minus 1, which is 17 plus 10 minus 1, it is 9, into minus 1. 17 plus 9 into minus 1, it is minus 9. 9 ones are 9, but the sign is minus. 17 minus 9 is 8. So the value of A10 is 8. This is our final answer. Thank you students, and subscribe to my channel Super Maths. Thank you.